Hi! Today I'm going to show you how to make a quick and easy Dune costume if you want to dress up for work or school or something, but you don't want to get too intense. But first, you're going to need to buy some linen chinos. You'll wear these chinos. You'll love how you look in these chinos. And then go into lockdown. You're gonna keep your snack corner poppin' and gain some weight. Then you're gonna put on your chinos one day, go to tie your shoe, and rip a hole in your chinos. But as someone who likes to give things a new life, hang on to them, because the fabric could be used as a grip for a blaster, or one of those fabric bits on a lightsaber, or you can wrap it around your neck and put an earbud in your nose and call it a day. This isn't sponsored, nor have I even watched the movie at the time of this recording. Roll the thing!